Right now, there's a crazy Black Friday deal going on at Hostinger, a web hosting platform. So if you have been thinking about creating your own website or starting an online business, this is the best moment to get started. My name is Ferdy and I teach people how to create websites that can generate them money. So let me show you what we will cover in this tutorial. I will show you how to get web hosting, then I will show you how to get your free domain and how to install WordPress. Then I will refer you to a ton of tutorials that I've created on how to create websites, any kind of website. So you can follow that tutorial and create the website you have in mind. Then I will show you how to create your own unique email account, access it through webmail, through your Mac or PC, and through your phone. And the great thing is I will show you how you can sync everything. So when you delete an email on your phone, it's also deleted on your Microsoft Outlook and on your webmail. Everything is in sync with each other. So after watching this tutorial, you have your free domain name, you have web hosting, you have an email account that is synced on all your devices, and you can start to create your own website. So what is a domain name? A domain name is the address of your website, like apple.com, facebook.com, tesla.com. So what is web hosting? Web hosting is a computer that's turned on 24/7 that stores all the data of your website, the images, the text, everything. So with a domain and web hosting, you are live on the internet. So let me show you how to get web hosting and your own free domain name. In order to get web hosting and a free domain name, we go to webhosting52.com, hit enter. Then we click here to go to Hostinger. Throughout the years, I've been searching for the best web hosting companies that are also affordable. And then I came across Hostinger. I'm already using them for 5 years and I love it. And I'm not the only one. If you take a look at the reviews on Trustpilot, you see that other people are also really excited about Hostinger. And if you take a look at the Google Trends, Hostinger is taking over the web hosting industry. They're getting more and more popular. Why? Because their web hosting quality is top-notch and they are affordable. So I can click over here and there are 3 plans, and let me make it really easy for you to make the right choice. If you're seeing me right now saying this, that means that it is Black Friday and that the prices you see on the screen, on my computer screen, on my video are different than what you will see on your screen. So you will have more discounts. So congratulations with that. So as long as you see this, you can know there's extra discount for you. When it comes to site speed, the premium plan has SSD storage, which is fast, but with the business plan, you have NVMe storage. That's up to 5 times as fast as SSD storage. So when you're getting started, I would go with the business plan. Why not the cloud startup? Because you can always upgrade later. So when you've made 30 websites in your business plan, okay, then it would be a great idea to upgrade to the cloud startup. But if you're getting started, I recommend the business plan. So what does the business plan have? Over here, you can have up to 100 websites. It's really easy to install WordPress with a few clicks. You have 200 gigabytes of NVMe storage, so it's fast. And you have enough space to create a lot of websites. You get a free domain. With other web hosting companies, that costs around $20. Here you get it for free. And if you already have web hosting somewhere else, there is a free automatic migration tool that can migrate your website from your current web hosting provider to Hostinger. Of course, you have free email, free SSL, which will make your website secure. Daily backups, so if you somehow mess up your website, you can restore a backup from the day before or the day before that. There's free CDN, which makes your website fast in any place in the world. And with your free domain, you also get free domain privacy. What does it mean? Normally, when you register a domain, all your information that you fill in, your address, your phone number, will be visible on the internet. And companies can start to send you emails like, hey, I can make a website for you, I can make a logo for you. And when you have domain privacy, that information is hidden. And with other web hosting companies, that costs money. But here at Hostinger, it is free. And to make it even better, let's scroll up. You get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So it's risk-free. If you somehow don't like the service, you can get your money back. No questions asked. So I will go with the business plan. So I click on choose plan. And then we see this page. Let me zoom in a little bit. So over here, we can decide for how long we want to go for web hosting. It's really simple. The longer the period, the more discount you get. So if you go for 48 months, you get web hosting for 48 months for just $3.99. After 4 years, you can renew and then you pay $8.99 per month. If you would go for 12 months, you will still pay $3.99 per month. After the 12 months, you start to pay $11.99 per month. So the longer you go with web hosting, the more discount you get. And when you go for 48 months, you get 3 months for free. So you save a lot of money, and I can give you some extra discount. If you click over here, have a coupon code, and you fill in Ferdy and click on apply, you get an extra discount, and the total discount is 74% for the coming 4 years. But also if you go for 12 months, you get the same discount. If you want to go for 12 months, you just have to pay $43.09 for a free domain and a whole year of web hosting. This is crazy. So if you know For which period you want to go, you can click on continue, and then you can create an account. You can use Gmail, or you can use an email address and a password. So I will go for it's me@ferdy.com, and I need to create a password, and then I click on continue. Then I have the billing address. I can fill this in later. You don't have to fill this in, only the country. So I will leave this empty for now. And if we add company details, so I say my company name over here, my VAT number, the amount of taxes you have to pay will be subtracted from the total amount you have to pay. Then I click on continue, and I can choose my payment method. And based where I come from, I see certain payment methods. So if you're from another country, it can be that you see your local payment method over here. That's what I really like about Hostinger. So to give you a summary, you get 12 months of web hosting for $43.09. You get daily backups, you get a free domain name, setting up everything is free, and you get free domain privacy protection. So the total amount I have to pay is $43.09. So I will choose credit card. We can also choose PayPal, Google Pay, something else. I will go for credit card. I will fill in my details over here. And then I click on submit payment. Awesome. Now we're going to install WordPress. By the way, if you like this video, feel free to like it and subscribe for more upcoming WordPress related tutorials where I will teach you how to create your own website and make money with that website. So without further ado, let's install WordPress on your brand new domain name, which we're also going to get. So I can click over here if English is not our main language and look at how many languages there are. There's so many more than the last time when I checked. So if you see your language over here, you can select it and then you can continue in your own language. I will continue in English. So for who is this website? This website is for myself or my business. I click on next. Do you want to create or migrate a website? I want to create a website from scratch. So I click on create website. Next. How do you want to build your website? I want to use WordPress. There's also the Hostinger website builder. I have a tutorial about that. You can watch it over here. But right now I want to work with WordPress. So I click on next. And now I need to create the login details for my WordPress account. So my WordPress admin email is this one. I create a password. Then I click on next. I want to create a blank site. So I click over here. Now it's time to choose your own domain name. You get one for free, .com or with another extension. So you have to think about what kind of domain you want to have. I always say you can use your first name and your last name as a domain. You can use your first name and your second name as a domain. Maybe you have a business name, you can use that one, or you can choose anything else. If it's not available, Hostinger will tell you. So let's choose a domain name for our website. I'll go for this one. And then I see which extension is still available. I want to go for .com. It's $0 for the first year, so I select it. And then I click on next. I need to register my domain. I'm from the Netherlands. Am I buying this domain for personal use or for my company? It's for my company, so I select company or organization. Next step. And then I will fill in my details over here. And now I click on finish registration. I need to confirm my email address, so I click on register. Where is your target audience located? So you see a few servers all over the world. If you're focusing on people from Europe, I would choose France or United Kingdom or Germany. I want to focus on people from the United States, so you can choose one of those. It doesn't matter which one, but the closer to the group of people you want to reach, the better it is. So I choose United States and then this one. So I click on next. And now WordPress is installed on our brand new domain name. Now here we are at our Hostinger dashboard. It says boosting time, almost 24 hours left. So what will happen now? Our website will go live. It can go live any moment. In some cases, in most cases, it's live immediately. So what I can do now, I can click over here and then I will see if my website is live already. So I click here, then I will be redirected. And what I see, I'm already live. Look at this. This is my live website, my domain. So if it's not the case for you, just be patient for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And if you click over here, your website should be live within 10 minutes. And then we can continue with the tutorial. So what you see over here is the backend of WordPress. This is where we can adjust our website. If I click over here, I see the front end of my website. This is what people will see when they enter our website. And it looks okay, but of course, we're going to make it look so much better. So by default, this will be installed on your website. It can be that it looks a little bit different. And because we're logged in, we see this bar over here. Other people that are not logged in, they don't see this bar. With this bar, we can navigate from the front end to the back end by clicking here. So now I want to close the other two tabs. This is the back end of our website. This is the front end. On the back end of our website, we can adjust our website. We can create blog posts. We can add videos, images, PDFs. We can create the homepage, the contact page, the About Us page. We can moderate comments when people have a comment on a blog post or a product we have. We can change the look and feel of our website with themes. We can add extra functionalities to our website. We can add other users that can do things for us on our website. There are WordPress tools and there are settings. So congratulations, you're live now. So if you want to create a new website, let's open a new tab and then go to ferdy.com, hit enter. And then you can click on Get Started. And then I have a few tutorials you can choose from. You can start with affiliate marketing, create an affiliate marketing website so you can start to sell and promote products from other people. When those people buy those products to your unique affiliate link, you make money. You can start to sell your own products through the internet. You can create a website for your business using Elementor. You can create an online course, learn how to create videos, upload them to Vimeo, create a course website and start selling your course. Put everything on automatic pilot. You can create a website with Elementor Pro, the best page builder in the world. I have a complete affiliate marketing tutorial, not only on how to create a website, but also how to start with TikTok, create shorts, create reels, create tutorials, and how to put them on YouTube, and then how to create a website using the Divi theme. So you can choose one of those. So when you click on one of those tutorials, you can watch it over here. And there I'll show you how to clean up your WordPress website. So that's what you can watch. Now I will show you how to confirm your email account at Hostinger. It's really important to verify your email. Otherwise your website can be deactivated. So I will go to my email address and it says verify your email address. So I click over here, verify email. And that's it. I can close this. Now my email address is verified and my website will not go offline. Right now it says, hello, it's me. Well, I want to change that. So I go over here to account information. And here's my name. So I click on it and I rename this Ferdy. My last name, Korpershoek. Continue. I need to fill in my password. Confirm. Data has been updated. Now when I go to the main menu or I click on Hostinger, it says, hello, Ferdy. That's more personal. And that's why I prefer, when people just say hello Ferdy instead of hello, it's me. Well, I'm not, it's me. Well, it's me, but okay, let's continue. Now it's time to create our own email account. I will show you how to create it, whatever it is, at yourdomain.com. Then I'll show you how to access it through webmail. Then I'll show you how to get it on your Microsoft Outlook or your Mac mail account. And then I'll show you how to get it on your phone and sync it all with each other. So when you delete an email on one device, it will be deleted on all devices. Sounds cool? I think it sounds cool. So let's get started with that. In order to create an email account, we go to emails and it says set up free email service. We don't need this one. We just need the free one that is included in our package. So I click on setup. I need to select a domain. Well, it's me, ferdy.com. Confirm. Again, I can select a plan. I choose the Hostinger free plan, which is more than enough. I click on select. And I already filled in some details over here. Somehow I want to use info. So I type info and I create a password. So I will create an email account, professional email account, info@itsmeferdy.com. I click on create. Where would you like to use your email account? Well, the first thing I want to do, I want to use webmail. So I click on browser and then I can go to webmail. So here info@itsme and now the password I just created and I click on login. I save this. So we just created an email account, info@yourdomain.com or .nl or whatever extension you use. There's a welcome email. So let me make this smaller. I want to test this. So what I will do, I'll click on this icon and I create an email from info@itsmeferdy.com to info@ferdykorpershoek.com. The subject is email from webmail. I can start typing, hey Ferdy, how are you? I can attach a file. So I click here. I grab a random image and I say, cheers, Ferdy. Okay, I can send it. And there it is. Email from info@itsmeferdy. Hey Ferdy, how are you? Cheers. Well, I'm a kind person. I reply, I am fine, thanks. I send it. And there is the email, the reply. So I can send and receive emails. How cool is that? The only thing is when I send an email, it will be received from info@itsme. I want to change it to a name. So how can I do that? Let me make the screen bigger. Over here at the left, I go to settings. I can go to the user interface if I want to and change things over here, but I want to go to identities here. I click on info@itsmeferdy and then I change the display name to Ferdy Korpershoek. I could say from It's Me Ferdy, but let's say Ferdy Korpershoek. The company, I can change a lot of things over here. I can have a signature, so I can say kind regards Ferdy Korpershoek. I can fill in my phone number or do something else. I can add an image. Okay, I click on save. So now when I go to compose, it's from Ferdy Korpershoek. So I send it again to info@ferdykorpershoek.com. Since I already have done that, I can fill it in like this. Subject, hey again. And then it says, kind regards, Ferdy. There I am again. I send it. And there it is. Hi again. And now it says, kind regards, Ferdy. And now it says it's from Ferdy Korpershoek. So that's how we can make it look better using webmail. But wait, there is more. So you have access through webmail right now. Super cool. Now let me show you how to configure an email client on your Mac using Macmail. You can also use Microsoft Outlook, but I will show you how to do it with Macmail. The same principles apply. So let's do that right now. In order to configure our email account on a PC or a Mac, we go to emails. I have my email account over here. So I click on manage. Then here at the left, I go to connect apps and devices. And with Apple, we can do it automatically, or we can do it manually, both for PC and both for a Mac. Well, I want to do it manually. So how can I do that? I scroll down and I see some host names. I want to use those. It's for the manual configuration. The incoming emails, I want to make use of IMAP. So what I will do, I will copy this imap.hostinger.com by clicking here. Now I go to Mac Mail. On the PC, you can do the same thing. Mail accounts. Then I click on add account and I want to go for add another account. And then I go for a mail account. The name will be It's Me Ferdy. The email address is info@itsmeferdy.com. The password. And then I click on sign in. Okay, what I need to do now. I use IMAP and the incoming mail server is the one I copied. This is this one. The username is the same as the email address. Then I go back to my outgoing mail server, copy it. Then I go back over here to the system settings. And then I paste the outgoing mail server. Then I click on sign in. I only want to sync my emails. So I click on email and I don't click on notes. Done. And now when I close this and I go back to Mac Mail and I go to my inbox of It's Me Ferdy, I see those two emails that I also have at my webmail. If I go to send, I see all the emails I have sent. So it's now in sync. So look at this. If I make this smaller again and I go to overview, I scroll down, email accounts, I click over here. So I go to webmail. Here at send, I see one email. I also see it over here at send. Look at this. If I go to my inbox, I see 2 emails. Over here, my inbox, 2 emails. Look at this. If I select this email and I mark it as unread, over here, immediately it's unread. So it's in sync with each other. This is super cool. If I mark it, or let's mark it here. So I click on the arrows and I want to flag it as read. Look at this. Now it's read. So everything is in sync with each other. So when I decide on my phone or whatever to answer this email, so I click on reply, thanks, and I send it. Now, if I go to my send emails, it says thanks. This is just what I sent it. So now, when I go to send, I see the same email I just sent. So everything is in sync with each other. This makes your life a lot easier. So when you have read an email on your phone or on any device, so let's go back to the inbox. There's a new email. And I'm like, okay, I answered this one, so I can unflag it. Now, using Macmail, it's also unflagged. If I'm like, okay, I still want to do something with it, so let's go to the one from Hostinger. I flag it. Then on my Macmail, it's also flagged. I love it. So let's send an email to info@itsmeferdy.com. Hey there. I send it from It's Me Ferdy and I say, hey there. So I send it. Let's see what's going on over here in my inbox. There it is. It's over here. So if I select it, then over here, it's also read. Hey there. So I can send emails from Macmail. Let's reply. Let's see if I can receive emails. Hey, I send it. And there it is. So now I can send and receive emails using Macmail, and everything is in sync with my email account. So if I go to webmail, it's also there. And since we're on a roll, since we're doing great things, let me show you how to configure your email accounts on your phone. So now I'm on my iPhone and I want to configure my email accounts on my iPhone. So I go to settings. With other devices, it works the same way. You go to mail, then I go to accounts. I click on add account, other, add a mail account, and I can give my name. Then I say, it's me, Ferdy. My email is info@itsmeferdy.com. Password and my description. That can be the same as the name. Then I click on next. Okay, I want to choose IMAP and I say imap.hostinger.com. It's what you can find over here. Let me see. If I go to connect apps and devices, over here, imap.hostinger.com, and the outgoing server is smtp.hostinger.com. So the username is your email. I copy it. Then there's the outgoing server smtp.hostinger.com. Username.com. You have to set it up only once, fortunately. My password one more time. Now I click on next. It's verifying. And this can take a while. This can take a minute, 2 minutes. So we have to be patient. There it is. There's someone at the door. I want to save the password. And I only want to sync my emails. Save, account added. So now if I go to my emails and I go to It's Me Ferdy, I see all the emails that I also see over here and over here. So let's have some fun over here. Let's see if it's working. Over here, I have my email in my inbox. So I have my inbox, and my inbox. Now, if I flag this, mark as flagged. Look at this. There it's flagged. And on my phone, it's also flagged. Now I click on it on my phone. I reply from my phone. I send it. So it will go to our inbox. So there it is on the Mac. There it is on my phone. And there it is on Macmail from my phone, from my phone, from my phone. So everything is in sync with each other. Oh, I love this. So it doesn't matter where you get your emails, on your computer, on your webmail, on your phone. You can reply, you can flag it, you can unflag it. And when you do that, it will be synced everywhere. That's what I love about IMAP webmail through Hostinger. Everything is in sync. So if I reply on the email on my phone, I will also see that I replied on it on my PC and on my webmail. So that keeps things organized, and I love this. So I hope you also like this too. So if you want to learn more about Hostinger, what you can do with it, I have an in-depth tutorial about Hostinger. You can follow it by clicking there or go to the description. And if you want to learn more about making websites, I have a YouTube channel that you can follow where I show you a lot of different tutorials that can help you to create an amazing website that can generate you money. And you can go to Ferdy.com, my personal website, or the website of my branding. There I also have an overview of tutorials that you can follow so you can create an amazing website. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe for more upcoming WordPress related tutorials. Have a great day, and I wish you the best in everything you do. Bye bye.